Now, given that all balls are identical in shape and sizes, find the number of arrangement of 4 red balls and 3 blue balls and 6 purple balls, which the red balls are separated. So if red balls are separated, you just ignore the red ball first. So this would be 9 of them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you need to arrange 3 blue balls and then 6 purple. So this case will be just arranging this will be 9 factorial over 3 factorial over 6 factorial, because are identical. Then you need to slot the 4 red balls in. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 choose 4. Then the red ball no need to arrange lah, but if you insist arranging, it will be 4 factorial over 4 factorial, but they are the same. Okay? So this is 1. Then we do the same thing for blue balls, which means we take into account blue and purple, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is actually 4 red and 6 purple. All right. This case here, same thing. You want to arrange, get the blue ball in. So there are 3 blue balls. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 slots to choose from. So 10 factorial over 4 factorial, 6 factorial. And then after which you multiply by 11, choose blue ball, which is 3 lah. But like I say, the blue ball, you arrange it is the same. So there are 3 blue outside to slot. Then this one is 4 red. Pretty okay lah. I think it's pretty fine. Then we look at the last one. Purple ball is separated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You arrange 4 red, 3 blue. 37 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. Choose. Purple is 6. Okay, no, I choose 6. Then times 6 factorial over 6. These are all redundant. You can just ignore. Okay. Just know that identical stuff no need to rearrange lah. So you just key all this in, should be get your answer. So this answer is correct. So just key this in will be 7640. Yeah, the rest is just, I'm just gonna copy 50.